Hello and welcome back to another StanCan tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to do the hand of Penelope the pig. I say hand, it's going to be the hand and arm, sorry. Right, so looking at our pattern, the arm is down here. It is quite simple. You start off with a magic ring, increase it, do a couple of rows, change colour, decrease it a little bit, and then make basically a tube, okay? Right, so we're going to start with yarn B, which is your ball of dark pink that you should have in your kit. And you're going to start by creating a magic ring. Just like so. These tutorials are not stitch tutorials. If you'd like a stitch tutorial, what you need to do is go over to the StanCan YouTube page and look for any of the blue videos. All the blue videos are all of the tutorial, stitch tutorial videos, okay? Right, so you're going to create a magic ring of 5 double crochets, and then you're just going to tighten that up. So you should have something that looks like that. You're then going to do your 2 double crochet increase into every stitch all the way around, just like I'm doing here. Okay, and then what you do after that is you're going to be doing 2 rounds of just 1 double crochet all the way around. Okay, so this is where at the point that if you are not a crocheter and you're an absolute beginner, you might want to start using your stitch marker. But how do you use a stitch marker? Right, so here is the stitch marker that I've got. What you do is you start by working 2 stitches. So in this round, it's just a double crochet all the way round. So I've worked 2 double crochet, and then I'm going to insert my stitch marker into that first stitch that I've done and just close it like that. And then you carry on working your way round. Just like that, okay? Till you get to that stitch marker, and then you know you finished that round, so can undo it and pop that down. Right, so that's all that you've got to make with the yarn A. So I've done my 4 rounds. Now you're going to colour change. I forgot to mention, in round 4, you're not going to want to do that last stitch, okay? Don't do that last stitch just yet. You're then going to find the end of your colour A, which is your main colour, baby pink or soft pink. And we're going to colour change using the next stitch. If you don't know how to do a colour change, again, a blue video will be uploaded. However, just to recap over it, you're going to insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through 1, leaving you with 2 stitches. Then using your soft pink, you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 stitches, okay, or 2 loops. So now you should have 1 loop of soft pink on your hook. You're then going to work the next round using your soft pink, okay? So the round is 3 double crochet decrease. So 1, 2, 3, and then an invisible decrease. And that again, so 1, 2, 3, and then an invisible decrease. Okay. Then you're going to pull that off, and what you should have is, so you should have a towel attached to the ball of hot pink. Using your pair of scissors, you're just going to cut that off, and then you can take your hot pink out of the situation. And then you should have, we just grab all of the towels, you should have 2 towels of hot pink, 1 from your magic ring and 1 from where you changed yarn. And then you should also have, and I'm just trying to find it, there we go, you should also have a strand of soft pink. You're going to want to pull that soft pink, okay, meaning that loop will close up, and then you're going to tie the 2 ends together, okay. That means that your colour change will then later on not undo. Just like that. And then you can stuff all that into the hand. And now we've colour changed. So now we go on to round 6, which is 2 double crochets. So 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. And then a decrease. So you do that again. And then the next 7 rounds is the easiest thing ever. You just have to do 1 double crochet all the way around. So what I'm going to go and do is I'm going to go away, get this one done, finish another one as well because you need to make 2 arms, and then I will be back. Hello, so I'm back and I have finished both of the arms here. Look how cute they look. So that is the arms now done. So join me next video where we will be making one of the legs. And yeah, so I hope you have had fun making the arms, and join me for the next part of your Penelope